Want your fleet to last longer and perform better? It's not just about maintenance, it's about optimizing the fleet lifecycle. Right now, fleet management is mostly reactive. You're fixing problems after they happen, dealing with costly repairs and unexpected downtime. It's inefficient, expensive, and it shortens the life of your assets. But it doesn't have to be this way. Clue transforms the way you manage your fleet. Here's how. Lifecycle analytics. With Clue, you get a data-backed roadmap for each asset. From acquisition to disposal, we help you monitor, analyze, and maximize the value of your fleet over its entire lifecycle. But that's just the start. Let's dive into how Clue helps you stay ahead of potential problems. Condition-based monitoring. Clue keeps you in the driver's seat with real-time condition tracking. It catches early signs of wear and tear so you can act before it turns into an expensive problem. And as your fleet operates, Clue makes sure you're always ready. Automated maintenance schedules. Clue's automated PM scheduling ensures you never miss a service. Keep your fleet in top shape and tackle minor issues before they become major expenses. Now let's talk about the impact on your bottom line. Cost-effective operations. Clue helps reduce downtime and lowers maintenance costs, leading to a significant decrease in the total cost of ownership. More uptime, fewer repairs, and optimized usage. It's how your fleet becomes more profitable. So let's make sure every asset is pulling its weight. Utilization and performance insights. Clue gives you deep insights into how every asset is performing and being used. If something's underutilized, you'll know. If it's working overtime, you'll know. And no matter what systems you're already using, Clue integrates with 70+ systems seamlessly. Your fleet isn't just a set of equipment, it's an investment. Clue is the key to unlocking its full potential. Book a demo today.